Welcome to Messages Over Coffee. I'm Donna with Northstar Tarot, and here we go with our weekly message. So grab your coffee, and my cup today is Paris is always a good idea. I still want to go to Paris. So this spread is from the Tarot by the Moon book, and it's really kind of cool. I love it, and it has so many spreads in it. And I'm just taking the spreads and just working with them. So this one is called Tending Your Garden. So we're looking at, it says every gardener understands the importance of tending their garden, pulling weeds, tilling the soil, and fertilizing it, trimming and pruning when necessary. So we're going to get clarity and how best to tend your own spiritual garden and to shine a light on what would benefit from your loving care and attention. Okay, so we are using the Lightseers Tarot, and again, I will post all the decks I use in the description. Okay, so we're going to go with the Lightseers Tarot, and then we're going to be clarifying with Tasty Tarot. Okay. Tasty Tarot is it's not a common deck. It is on Etsy, and it is by Oracle Tarot, a fellow YouTuber. Okay, he created that deck. So this one has 10 cards. Okay, so it's a good size spread. So let's get this one done. Alrighty. So we have 1, 2, and we're going to move it a little bit over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Okay, so we're going to read that and we'll clarify as we go along. Okay, stay tuned to the end, and I'm going to do your wish. Okay, and then at the outcome card, I've decided I'm going to use the crystal ball. All right, so let's do that. So number 1, what is the state of your spiritual garden? So what is the state of your spiritual garden? We have the 8 of Wands. The 8 of Wands, this talks about you are moving in a forward direction, and something is going to help you move things along even quicker. So you're going to be feeling very, very soon that you can accomplish something in a bigger and better way. Okay, so some kind of eye-opening situation, something that you find that is very passionate, that you're just going to say, oh my God, I want to add this. I want to do this. I want to attend this. Whatever it is, it's coming for you this week. Okay. And then we have the 2 of Wands and the 6 of Swords. So don't let other people trip you up here. Okay. Don't let your past situations or your past thoughts about something hold you back. Go forward and allow yourself to just enjoy and do what it is that you're feeling passionate about, okay? I think that is a brave and wonderful thing to do. The second thing we're talking about here is what card best represents your current emotional state, okay? So we have the 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups is a very emotional card, and it talks about everything coming into fruition. All your emotions coming together, good, bad, ugly, all of that coming together, and you finding that peace and joy within that, okay? We have the 4 of Wands, and we have the Fool. So, it's time to take a leap of faith. It's time to trust your emotions. It's time to just allow yourself to be free and to feel and to have that passion around you, and know that you're going to come out stable and good, and everything's going to work out the way you wanted it to. Okay? Absolutely beautiful. All right? And then the third one is what needs nourishment. So we have the 8 of Cups, okay? And then we have the King of Wands and the Knight of Cups. Your relationships need nourishment, okay? So I feel one of these is you. And I feel your relationship with yourself needs some nourishment there. You need to work on that relationship with you. What are you doing to have that spark in your life, to feel like things are going in a forward direction? How are you making things happen in your life that you are loving it? And who is the person in your life that brings you the most love, that brings you that tenderness? Or if you're not getting that right now and you've had to let go of somebody in your life, which I feel you've had to do, it's time to allow somebody else in, okay? Time to open yourself back up. Even though it hurts, open yourself back up and have that relationship in your life. Or if you're in a relationship, are you giving it your all? Are you present? Make sure that you are letting that person in fully and being present, okay? Show your passion. So now we're going to look at what needs pruning. So in every garden, there is pruning to be done. So what needs pruning? We have the Three of Pentacles. Then we have the Page of Pentacles and Death. All right, well, this is a big one, okay? So this talks definitely about letting things go, you know? You have to let go of the people and the things that do not serve you in order to find the next chapter in your life. And hanging on to those states and hanging on to those people, thinking you can't do it on your own, is holding you back, okay? Believe in yourself, believe in your capabilities, believe in who you are and what you want to accomplish. I feel that you have an idea of what you want to do, so don't let troubles, don't let difficulties hold you back. It might be difficult to get what you want or to do what you want, but it is worth it, okay? Go forward, strive for that, all right? The next thing you want to look at is what weeds are present in your garden. So let's have a look at that. We have the Nine of Wands, the Two of Cups, and we have the Ace of Swords. So the weeds that I feel are in your garden is yourself. Is that love that you have for yourself or the lack of love that you have for yourself? What things are you telling yourself? What limited beliefs are you creating or saying to yourself? So what thoughts are here coming from your past that is holding you back? Time to let down your guard. Time to take those away and time to move forward. What are your passions? Be honest. So honesty, take those ideas. You've got a lot of really good ideas. Bounce them off somebody. You have somebody, a partner in crime, whatever you want to call them. You have somebody in your life that you can bounce this off of that only wants your good. Whether it's a partner in a romantic way or a friend or a family member, whoever it is, they only want your good. Bounce these ideas off them. And I feel that you have a way through and you can believe that you know where you're going and what you need. You just have to trust more. You have to believe more. And you have to know that you know. You're smart. You know what you want. And you have to trust that. Okay? So the next thing we're going to look at is what seeds are beginning to sprout. So what seeds are beginning to sprout? We've got the Knight of Cups, the Nine of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. So I see that a person in your life is coming into your life to be part of it, okay? This person is loving, kind, joyful, and just so sweet. And I believe this is a romantic endeavor. If you are already in a relationship, trust this person a little bit. You know, talk to them about your desires, your passions, what you want and what you need for stability. They're not mind readers. And I believe they will give you the things that you're looking for if you're able to open up and ask them. And if this is somebody new coming into your life, enjoy it. Even if it's just for one date, it's one date that is fun, enjoyable, make you feel on cloud 9. That's what you need to enjoy. That's what you need to strive for. Not the forevers right now. Live one day at a time. Is it wonderful today? Enjoy it for today. Don't get caught up in everything going forward. Stay in today, okay? Really important there. Okay, the next thing we want to look at, number 7. What seeds should you sow now? That's hard to say. What seeds should you sow now? So we have the King of Swords, the King of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. So these are your ideas. These are your thoughts, your ideas. What are you really after? What do you really want? You know, but you don't allow yourself to go down there. You don't allow yourself to believe it's possible, okay? You know, dream a little bit. You know, ask somebody for help. Look at what's available to you. Who can you learn from? All these things are available and they're there for you. You just need to think about it and start adding it and start believing it. Do some journaling about this. And I really think that you're smart, you're articulate, you know what you need, and there is a way to get that, okay? You're going to have to do some planning and you're going to have to do some deciphering, but you can do this, okay? Trust you. The next thing, what requires your immediate attention? We have the Ace of Swords. I love this. So then we have the Eight of Wands with that and the Eight of Pentacles. So, you know, this tells me that your thoughts are what you need, okay, to accomplish what you want to accomplish. It's here. You've already got it here. Now you just have to move it to your heart. You have to move it out in the world. You have to implement something. No more procrastination. If you want to do something, you've got to do it. This week, you've got to look at doing something. Like I said, no more procrastination, okay? So this is telling you, your ideas and your thoughts are good. Don't procrastinate anymore. You've honed your skills. Now you need to practice that, okay? So put everything you know into practice and you will grow exponentially, all right? So there you go. And then number 9. So what requires your ongoing attention? We have the Three of Swords here, okay? Then we have the Two of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. So I do believe that I think you get caught up in what you haven't accomplished, where you are in your life and what you haven't done, that you feel like you should be further along in your life. You should be, whether it's your love life, whether it is having a home, whatever it is, I feel like you feel you're not far enough ahead. You're wrong. You are far enough ahead, okay? And you're moving in a good direction. You're moving in a very forward direction. You need to trust yourself. You need to take these ideas. What do you want in a home? What do you want in money? All these practical things, you need to hone down on that and build partnerships in your life so you can learn how to accomplish these things, okay? You can't accomplish them all on your own. You need help. You need guidance. You need learning. You need opportunity. Build those into your life and you're going to be fine. So the last thing we're going to look at is what would benefit from your loving care. So what would benefit from your loving care? Okay, and we're going to use the crystal ball for this one. Okay, so what would benefit from your loving care? Let's see what I see here, okay? First of all is getting clear, okay? I see there's sometimes a lot of confusion of what you can do and what you think other people need to do to help you. You need to be on top of this, okay? And I feel like you need to make a decision. Like X marks the spot. So it's kind of like, look at this as a journey. Look at this as finding your treasure. look at this as mapping out your treasure map. So you're starting at point A and you're working to the X, right? How are you going to get to the treasure you're looking for? And this is telling me it's a process. This is telling me to get out of your own way. This is telling me to build room in your life, to make it clear sailing, okay? Get rid of some of those thoughts and some of those ideas that are holding you back, that are pushing you back and back and back, okay? So you don't want those in your life. I see the letter F. It's a capital F. So it's a person, place. So it's a proper noun, right? So it has a capital letter, whatever this is. This is going to come this week to help you solidify this, okay? So whether it's a name of a company or a name of a person to help you, or a name of a street that you need to be on, or whatever it is, okay? So whatever this is, there's a capital F involved, okay? See if I see anything else here to help you on your way this week. You know what? I feel like you need to look at things in a fluffy way as well. Don't get so caught up in so much serious stuff. And maybe the F stands for a big capital fun. So I feel you need to implement some fun here, okay? So how are you going to have some fun this week? I want you to implement that in your life, okay? So there you go. Now we're going to look at Oracle. I brought an Oracle deck, and we're going to pull an Oracle card for you. So your Oracle deck, I brought the Wisdom of the Pocket Oracle by Colette Baron Reid, all right? This is the mini version, but it doesn't matter, right? I love it. I think it's a great deck. I think it has a lot of wisdom in it for sure. I know it's called Wisdom of the Oracle, but there's a reason that she named it that, and it is wonderful. So yeah, if you're looking for something, I think this is a wonderful one. So we pulled TikTok. So this is card 30. It's called TikTok. I don't think you can see it, but I will leave it there anyway. So we're going to read TikTok. Number 30. 29. Number 30, TikTok. The essential meaning of TikTok is timelessness, divine timing, and immeasurable time, okay? The message is, when humans create time, everything changed and contracted. People have come to look at life in a linear way, imagining that the past is behind them and the future ahead of them. But what if this isn't true at all? What if everything, creativity, beauty, chaos, and order, were happening now in a glorious timelessness? You have all the time in the world to co-create the life you desire. So release your agenda. Let go of your need to shape each moment to your expectations, knowing that what is yours will never be withheld from you. Miracles are here right now and always show up when you need them, right on time, okay? So there's your message from the Wisdom of Oracle cards. I am going to do your wish now. So when I'm using this dice, I want you to make your wish now, okay? So make your wish, and this dice will tell us if it's coming sooner or later, okay? Or not at all. Let's have a look. So it says now. So you can expect your wish to come anytime now, okay? So be brave, be strong, love endlessly. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.